Hello, and welcome to the assembly guide for the Montauk solid wood trestle table. Even if your box is damaged, it doesn't mean the product is damaged, and we offer free replacement parts if something is broken or missing. As you open and unpack the box, we recommend organizing all like pieces together. Our furniture is both 100% solid wood and 100% sourced from renewable forests in Brazil. Ensure the pilot holes on the legs are facing up. You will need to repeat these steps a second time to create the other support. A downloadable PDF of the assembly instructions is available for download on the products page on grainwoodfurniture.com. Do your best to center these felt pads on the bottom of the legs. There will be a gap between the top panels labeled 0, 1. To ensure these panels are parallel and the gap consistent, take your time finding their pilot holes. The B20 bolt should be easy to get started and spin with your fingers. Take note of the pilot holes on piece 04 and line them up accordingly. It's a good idea to get all 4 B16 bolts into piece 04 before tightening them all the way. If the panels are not square or parallel, you can loosen the B20 bolts from underneath, adjust or slide the panels until corrected, and tighten the bolts back down.